So yesterday we have completed the arrays concept, right? So there will be we'll combine the arrays and with the scanner today class. So that we will complete, and after that I'll go to the string and we will see today's strings. Okay. So in the one sec. Basically, yesterday we have just initialized the values from and variable, and that will be incrementing, automatically incrementing, starting with the 10. I'm just incrementing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So instead of that, I just wanted to give from the console. So how can we do that? And let's see. So it got opened, and in the array example, so I just wanted to create a one more class. So if you observe, I'm just creating the subwords, starting word of a subword is creating with the capital letter. If you observe here, since it is a class, I'm just starting with the capital letter. And apart from a class, everything identifiers like methods, everything you should create it from. You should start from a lowercase. Just create the class and create a main method. Now our requirement is to create an array and initialize the array with the sum size and initialize the values inside of that array by using the scanner and read the values from that array. So that's what the requirement. So you create a scanner object first. Now we need some size for array. That also we will be getting it from console. Let's see. Enter size of an array. So we need to use a scanner object now. Scr.nextInt. It's an integer. Size denoted with the integer, and we'll be storing in the left side as n. N is the size. Okay. So now create an array. We got the size from the console. So by using that size, we can create an array. Instead of a hard-coded value, you can just creating the size dynamically, whatever the size you enter. So depends on the size, so it will create the array size. Okay. Now I just wanted to initialize the values. So okay. So in this, so I'll use a for loop to loop from the 0th index to less than n. N is the size, so less than n. I'll use this. We can directly use array.length, or else both are same. Array.length is found from the n only. You can use either array.length or else n. So just you can use array.length and here can somebody go to mute please. So here, I just wanted to enter, I just wanted to give some message, which index you wanted to go, you're going to enter the value. So I just want to show that as well. So let's see, enter a value for I index, I at I index. Okay. Now I'll be using a scanner ser that next int. I'll be just retrieving the value, whatever the value you'll be entering in the console. I'm just getting it. Just naming with the val and placing it in array of I. You have to keep an eye with the dynamic indexing. Let's say I will be 0, then it will be indexing index of 0th index. You'll be initializing the value. If it is I equals to 1 in the second iteration, it will be value. Value will be inserted in the array of I, array of 1. So that way you can complete all the values inserting uh, instead of a for loop. Now we're just retrieving the values. So you just keep system.out.println array of, you can directly keep array of I in a system.out.println. Now just execute it. So it is asking the size of an array to enter, right? Let's keep it like this. So it is asking the size of an array. Still the program is running. You can see here, enter the size of an array, and I just wanted to enter 5. So initializing the values instead of an array. Enter the value at a 0th index. So 10. Now it's a first index 20, second index 30, third index 40, and fourth index 50. After that, retrieving the values from an array, it's a 10 to 50. Whatever the values you enter, that values it will be showing, right? So this is how you have to show. And I'll give you this is what, and anybody is not able to understand or not able to follow, because we already discussed the all concepts about array, but we just include the scanner now. Anybody had any question? Now, so if I use a system.out.println, so it is printing, and as well as it is taking a new line. It is going in a new line, right? So after 10, it is going to print a 20 in a new line, second line. So why? Is there any way? I mean, where we are defining that? So here we are just using the println method. Println is nothing but there is a two lines. I mean, there is a two subwords. Print is a one and ln is a word. So println in the sense first print and take a new line. Ln means it's a take a new line. The logic inside of a println means you print the thing and it will, as well as it will just take a new line. If you do print instead of println, it will just only print. It will not take the new line. So let's see what will happen. I'll just insert a 3, 1, 2, 3. It will give you 1, 2, 3 in a row, in a single row. So to differentiate that, so give a space, printing and giving a space. And after that, again in the same row, it will print the second element and giving the space. So this is how it will work. And let's see. So give the 3, enter 3 values. It will give you in 1, 2, 3. So understood, right? The print and println differences. So print will print the same line. I mean, cursor will not go to the next line. The cursor will be there. Cursor will be there. It will not go into the second line. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. You can just I use ln. We will discuss that in the pattern programming. That's fine. I just wanted to discuss it. Okay. So till here you got it right, everyone.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.